Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Roblox, and as you can see the press release, it is very clear that the revenues shoot up by 140%, and they are saying so it's the first time that the earnings went up by 140% since its public listing. Now it has put up a revenue of $387 million, and rest of the things are there that so here's how the company did. So the loss is 46 cents per share, so this is in terms of EPS, and then revenue is $387 million, and the company's net loss for the quarter was $134 million. So it has showing some good momentum in terms of revenue, but in terms of the bottom line, it is actually in loss. Now the thing is the company is not very old in terms of listing, so it is in its preliminary phase. So what's matter in terms of number is not actually how much profit, how much loss it is making, but what are its plans and what are the product and services they are offering, and how those things are growing quarter after quarter or year after year, or how much popularity they are gaining into the market. So if this is the thing, so here you can see a couple of details that in first quarter daily active users rose 42.1 million, up 79% from last year, and then users spent 9.7 billion hours on this platform, up 98%. So, and also the engagement translated to $452.3 million in bookings, up 161%. So these are the couple of things which are important for newly listed companies or company which don't have much history. Now if you are looking at this price chart, what you can see, so this is a very limited price chart you have for this company. Now the levels which you can see is actually inside a range or in between a range, right? So what you have here, so on the downside, here we have, so you have couple of levels or one or two levels on the downside and the same on the upside. Now you have two important support levels on the downside. First you have 63 bucks, and the final support will come at 61.65, and the stock is very near to its previous low which it has made in the year 2020 March, more specifically March 2020. So probably it is very near to its important support levels, or I would say 61.65 will be a stop loss. Now don't try to go below 61.65, that's the first thing. And if it holds at or above 61.65, and more specifically if it holds above 63.93, then there is a possibility that it could go back to its previous high that it has made in a very recent manner. So you have your first target at 65, then 71, then 77, and 83.35, which was the high the company stock price has made in the month of this is in April 2021. So beg your pardon, this is not 2020, this is 2021 itself, March, the low that it has made. So it is moving in between 61 and 83, and it is very near to 61 and probably moving back to 83 if it holds the current two levels on the downside. But more specifically, don't try to go below $61 as far as downside is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.